today we'll talk about how can you add tickets on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse to add your tickets on your app. So you just go down here, just click in this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on add tickets. So then it's going to show for you like this. Then here can you link here with your uh, MLB account or infill tickets here or PDF tickets. Can you select a way to add your tickets here? So then automatically here it's going to add with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.